Dubai Style Brownies. First things first, we're gonna line this pan with some parchment paper. Line your pan. As we start this one with a baking mix. Read the recipe on the back of the box. However much oil they tell you to use, melt the right amount of butter. So they say a half a cup of oil, we're gonna do a half a cup of butter. Put your brownie mix in a bowl. When your butter's melted, pour it in the pan. Add 2 tablespoons milk. However much water your recipe calls for, substitute that with milk. Add your eggs. Stir up your brownies. That looks good. That's what we're looking like. Looks nice, and into the oven it goes. Our brownies are done. Ooh, I almost dropped a hot pan of brownies. We're gonna put these away to cool completely. We're also going to toast up some shredded phyllo dough. We wanna toast it 15-20 minutes until it's slightly brown. So keep an eye on it. You don't wanna catch it on fire. Our shredded phyllo is now toasty brown. Let's put some pistachio cream in here and we'll set it aside. We're going to set up a fake double boiler. You need a small pan. Don't be jealous. Got this in Tokyo. And we're going to put the chocolate frosting in the top of this. Now, if you have a microwave, you could just microwave this. But I don't microwave. Start warming it gently over low heat. Phyllo, all nice and toasty and beautiful. We're going to mix the two together. A little taste test. Just gonna put this right on top of our brownie layer. And this is what it's looking like. Once you've got the pistachio layer done, you can just let it sit. That's what we want. And then just keep putting it on. Into the fridge they go just to chill. Our Dubai brownies are ready. Having these little handles makes getting them out of the pan so easy. So be sure to leave your foil or paper, whatever you're using, up and over the edges. Let's see, can you guys see the layers? Those look amazing. Let's cut some. Take a cheesy picture. Let's try a bite. That pistachio cream. And then see how dense and chewy the brownies turned out? And that soft frosting topping. These are dangerous. See you around.